heading to the Cornwall Fire Lookout today. Been a couple years since we've been up there. Nothing super crazy that, but it's the first real adventure I'm doing in the Gladiator. I'm pretty excited about that. Got Josh with me like normal, and I've got my buddy Donnie with us. He's in his Tacoma today. He's not driving his TJ that he normally has had out with us. Yeah, it's a bit of a drive, but it's my first big road trip in this Gladiator, so far I'm just absolutely loving it. Rides so smooth. I put in a 3.5-inch lift. JKS lifted it there the other day. Rides so much nicer and smoother. I'm super happy with it.
Looks like they got the highway closed. I think there was a mudslide just a little ways up. Last night it just downpoured rain. So I got a little detour here, but we'll make it happen.
Oh, we're at the beginning of the trailhead. We're gonna go way up there. Got that sweet Gladiator sitting there. This Wrangler is whatever. And then the truck that's probably gonna outwheel all of us, the Tacoma, all stock with a locker.
I'm gonna ride so comfy.
Yeah. Man, this thing is just riding beautiful. We're about, I don't know, I would say 250, 300 kilometers away from home right now. And we went through the mountains, and man, I'm gonna miss that JK. But it's only got the 5-speed automatic, or this thing's got the 8-speed. What a difference going through those mountain passes. It was like night and day. Just the JK would be in second gear going up half the hill sometimes. So last time we came up here, this is where it was so slick. Well, she's slippery too. And yeah, the mud was sticking like a foot off of our tires. Okay, this is so slick that Donnie just aired his Toyota down. He's just got a factory tires on there, so they're not really meant for this, obviously. It's just as soon as you step in it, everything just sucks onto your shoes and that. So we'll see how she does. I set Donnie first. Once you take that top layer off, it's always a lot worse. So get him to go first. And I'm having problems trying to hold the camera and drive, and Josh is trying to fly a drone, and whoa. You see the chunks of mud. Oh, got off trail. Now I'm sliding everywhere. Because I was gonna make that turn. Don just screwing around. Oh, let's see what the difference between independent and solid axle is.
Well, mine's unhooked, so I'm gonna outflex everybody.
Just drives over it. I hope he hits that tree. Oh, he didn't. So I guess we're being a show off.
Neon Howie, one of your tires didn't leave the ground.
Rubicon life.
So I won that, right? Yeah, pretty much.
He's putting the drone up and Josh is showing off again. Look at the articulation on this, holy cow. See this sway bar? Those disconnects are sure handy. Hope that bracket there breaks.
It might.
We're at 2,003 meters. Still obviously going up a bit. That's a sweet view. It's chilly though, it's windy. Oh! It is so windy. I just got a hold of Don's drone and threw it into that cable right there. Oh, that was nasty. It is cold. Cold, it's windy. Still worth it when you see that though. I don't know if you guys can hear me over the wind. See that view. Please close the door. It's pretty clean up here, actually. This would be the coolest job ever. Just get paid to stay up here and watch. Oh yeah. Oh, look at it, Kevin's Lake.
Be a little chilly to camp there right now.
That's where we just would die from the windstorm.
Oh, 200 people that see it.
Oh wait, no, that's not Kenley's Lake. Kenley's Lake is over there. Because that's where the highway goes through there. So it's that way. I don't know what that is over there then. No.
It's something.
Okay, we were gonna stay, like cook some lunch and stuff like that. But that wind is brutal and it is cold. So it's so cold my Jeep automatically turned on the heated steering wheel and then he did seats. But so yeah, we're gonna just head her down, maybe find somewhere a little lower, it's a little warmer. Kind of a cool spot. Lake, there's a lake right there. Also have private property, it looks like. Huh. Interesting. Well, I got to the bottom of the trailer, we got all aired up. We're gonna take a little detour on the way home, so Donnie, he's gotta be up and he's gotta go to work early in the morning and stuff, so we're a good 3 hours away from home. So he took off. Josh and I are gonna continue. I don't know if we'll do any more recording or whatnot, but if not, guys, thanks for watching. It was a lot of fun. I love this Gladiator. Can't wait to make some more videos with it.
Hard to see on camera, but woo-wee! Little foggy out. And it's only 7 o'clock at night. I miss summertime. Holy.